Yo, my big hair can't even get up in this. I knew I should have braided my hair flat in the back. Get with the business. Girls, I finally got my sash and crown. I am officially Miss Grand Westie, and you know what that means. We're gonna unbox it. Let's get into it. Okay, y'all, the time has arrived. Oh, it has my picture on it. Not me getting emotional. I just opened the box. Oh my gosh. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for. The crown. Oh, it's beautiful. And look at the detail. We have my country's colors on here. Red, white, and blue. And all of it is wrapped up in gold. In the middle of the crown, we have the lady torch holding up the flame of peace. And it says Miss Grand USA on it. I think we should do a comparison of last year's crown and this year's crown. But first, let's try it on. Guys, I tried to put the crown on earlier. My head was too big for it, so I had to loosen it. Okay, let's try it again. Not my head being too big. Take 3. Okay. Now it fits. Okay, I'm getting very emotional. Trying not to, but this is the new Miss Grand USA state crown. I love it. I feel so beautiful in it. Oh my gosh. Let's try this again. If you talk about my lace, you're anti-black. Okay. Here's the crown. Now we have the sash unboxing. Fun fact, I wanted to be Miss Grand West Coast last year, and my dream is finally coming through. I mean, it's true. And for those of you guys who are new, I am last year's Miss Grand California. I competed and won and placed top 8 at nationals, and now I am back again representing the West Coast. It's yo bestie, Miss Grand Westie. I guess we should put it on. Okay, first and foremost, I love how it has the curve in the sash. I've competed in pageants where it does not have the curve, and it just makes things a little more difficult when you're applying it. But also it has a pocket for your phone right here, so you don't have to hold your phone when you're at events, and that makes things way easier. Yo, leaving your phone in the most random places or taking pictures with your hand behind your back trying to be cute is just not the business. So get with the business. This is the business. Yo, my big hair can't even get up in this. I knew I should have braided my hair flat in the back. Aww. I'm officially Miss Grand Westie. Guys, look at that. Aww. This has been an emotional roller coaster for me. And I know some of you guys are probably watching like, girl, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Well, I'm crying because last year I was thinking about leaving pageantry as a whole and just quitting because I had a really rough time last year. But with growth and a whole lot of therapy, I decided to compete again, and that makes me very joyful because once again I'm not letting anybody or no one stop me from chasing my dreams. And the best place to be is in the will of God, and I feel like I am exactly right where I'm at. I hope this inspires y'all to keep going and keep pushing forward and apply for that pageant. Believe in yourself because you can do all things through Christ who gives you strength. Okay? Okay. So now we're gonna compare to last year's sash and crown. It's kind of because we've been there, done that. It's a new season. Last year's sash hasn't changed too much. Not much. Last year's sash hasn't changed too much in my opinion. I'm looking in the mirror trying to see. You know what? It did change. Our lady torch is much lighter than this one of last year. And also Miss Grand USA is written in gold. Last year it was written in this emerald green, but the font and everything is still the exact same.
Forget everything I just said. The font is totally not the same, and I'm realizing it, watching it back, and neither is the color green. So a lot of changes were made.
With the embroidery on it. However, this does not have that pocket. That pocket makes this sash way superior. Now for the crown. She's cute. She's cute. She is. She really is. But she's not her. She's not. Let me just take this off. See, this is the difference. Old girl from last year, she was cute, a little laid back. This year, she's bigger and better, and she's very grand. I definitely love the new crown way more than last year's crown. But you guys, look at this. Let me know how y'all feel about it.
Pause again. Why am I just now realizing that last year's crown, old girl had a face? The Lady Torch had a face.
Both very beautiful. I will say that. They are both very beautiful. The only pro to this one was it was easier for me to get on my big head. Ciao! I'm struggling, but we can put this one back on. Anywho, that is all for the unboxing. My name is Kay Brittani, your Miss Grand West Coast 2025. And comment down below if y'all want me to cover more pageant content. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.